Before I start the video, I just want to say that Natalie, the Beauty Diva, and I are both uploading this morning, and I will put the link to her video below mine. Enjoy, beauties!
Hey everyone, it's Carol. So today I'm going to show you a right and a wrong for me. A right way to put on makeup and a wrong way to put on makeup in my eyes for my face. This is the right way for me. But in this video, I am going to start from scratch and I am going to show you tips and techniques that will make your lips feel lifted, your eyes feel lifted, and your cheeks feel lifted. So I hope you enjoy the video. Here we go. Let me push it over to the side.
Just applying my Max Factor Miracle Luminizer in Soft Honey with my IT Heavenly brush. Next, I am applying my Shadow Base. Now I'm putting on Golden Bronze Pencil by NYX. Everyone needs this pencil. This pencil is amazing. And here is a bronze pencil. This is an automatic one. There's no sharpening. So I am just putting a little rim in my waterline and my tight line. In my waterline, I don't go too close to the eye. I stay close to the lash roots so it doesn't close the eye. And go really, really close to the top lashes. Okay, now I am putting black liner on the top and the bottom, but not in the tight line. Just below the waterline, so it's a little more harsh. Now I'm going to use Meet Matrimony by The Balm. And I am just going to put it on the outside. I'm not going to fuss with a bunch of shadows. This is my everyday look. I don't want to look too made up, but I want to accentuate my features and make them the way I want them. I am just going to plop on eyeshadow all over the eye, which I've done also, but I'm not going to bring it out on the outside like I'm doing to the good side. So we'll call it the good side and the bad side. Now we're going to do the mascara, and we're going to do the hack on the good side, and you'll see how much thicker it gets. Now, mind you, my eyes are not even. Swipe like a windshield wiper, and then we go regular. And this is the Essence Sculpted Mascara. Now we're using CAMEO by Pure. It's a contour stick with a dark side and a light side. I've been using this for many years. It was gifted me through Pure and Octoly many years ago. I have bought so many more since then to give to my friends. Okay, good side, we are putting the contour up in a curve by the cheeks, and the bad side is much lower. Here I am using the Eraser Concealer in medium on the good side. Then on the bad side, I'm going to use it in a much lighter shade called Light Pale. Now I'm taking my $1 beauty sponge, which is the best. It is flat on the top, flat on the sides. I love it. And I am just using a little more age rewind. I am using my IT Heavenly brush. If you haven't gotten this brush yet, you need this brush. It's good for everything. Concealer, under the eye, bronzer, contour, foundation, blush. It's just the best brush ever. And I am just blending in the contour. So let's say the nose is neutral territory. So I'm just going to contour the nose the way I always do. And it won't be either the good or the bad side because it's in the middle. So I just took my HOOLA bronzer and just wipe it across the top of my nose and then go in the middle with the Age Rewind. Now I'm wiping all the moisturizer and the foundation and the serums and the sunscreen off my eyebrows so I can get a good grip with my MAC brow pencil, which is darker than any of my other colors. I usually would use that on the tail. So because it's on the bad side, I am going to make a line and make it very dark. Now I'm taking my new favorite eyebrow pencil, the Micro Brow by NYX in taupe that my granddaughter Daniela gave me, and I am just having such a good time drawing my brow on because this pencil is a dream. Now I'm taking a liquid eyeliner and just making a little wing at the outside of the good eye. You see my eyes don't match really. I try to trick it with my makeup when I'm doing a good makeup. Now I'm applying my lipstick to the bad side. I am not overlining, overdrawing, doing any corner tricks, any bottom lip tricks, any cupid bow tricks, nothing. Just plain little drawing on the inside of the lips. Now on the good side, I'm going to overdraw, and it's very easy to do that with a long-lasting lipstick like the Maybelline matte inks, because they are great to outline your lips with because they stay on all day. Now I'm putting on another color, which is number 55, Driver, because I want to lighten up the good side. I want a more nudie color. Now I'm trying to make more of a harsh line on the bad side. I'm just adding a very dark brown or black pencil. And I'm adding some on the bottom too. Now it's time for blush. I'm using my Lancome blush and bronzer. And I am placing it low on the bad side and a bit too much. Too much makeup. It's a mistake older women make with blush too. I'd rather go bright, bright on the lips. Now on the good side, I am putting it very high, all the way up to my forehead and right under my eyes and my jawline. Now I'm taking my Wonder 2 Selfie powder, and I'm only putting it on the good side and half of my nose. You'll see a big difference. Now, we've got to get those lips juicy. Irresistible. We've got to get them juicy. So we're putting gloss. And I have like 3 glosses that work with long-lasting lipsticks. I'll put them down below. Now I'm going to spray the good side with the Glass Finish by Revolution. It was $11 in Target, and it is amazing. Now there's two ways I like to put on shimmer. On the good side, I just put it very, very close to my lashes. So you kind of get a little glimmer. And then on the bad side, I'm putting it all over, which is fine a lot of times too. But it does show more texture. Here's a little shimmer palette from iHeart Revolution called Glam and Glow. I'm just going to put it on heavy on the bad side. And you can see all the wrinkles. No, don't like that. Okay, enough is enough. I need to fix my makeup now. I am removing the bad side, and I am going to redo it, and I will come back when it's all good. I have been playing around with lipsticks, and I found these two, and it is a great, great combination. The one I'm putting on now is $5, and it is from LA Colors, I believe. And this other one, I'll have to get the name for it, but I just use it as a liner, and it just brings out the pigments in my face and brightens it up. It's just soft and natural looking.
I hope you like that. I just fixed everything to be the correct way, and I want to show you how the full outcome would be. Another tip is if you go the opposite direction with your eyebrow pencil, it'll be darker. So this is the final look, the correct and the non-correct side. It's a non-correct side for me because it makes me look harsh and older. Darker eyebrows, lower placement of blush, lower placement of eyeshadows, lower placement of contour, putting my lipstick on inside the rim instead of a little overdrawn. A little overdrawn is okay. Otherwise, your mouth looks like you're mad. So if you want your lips to look more pouty and luscious, you have to put a lip gloss, and I always use this. I've been using this the whole 7 years I've been on YouTube because it doesn't move my lipstick around. And this L'Oreal Infallible is the best, and this color is, and you think I would know the color by now. Oh, it's something shiny. Look at the gold. Yeah, I'll put all links down below for everything that I used. I always put this shadow base, this eyeshadow base by NYX. I do this in every time I do a Get Ready With Me because I don't need an eyeshadow on my lid when I do this.
And I never put concealer on my eyelids because concealers are moisturizing and I don't want to add moisture on my eyelids.
I just put this on and it just brightens my eye without having to put any color. And then when I put the color out here, I don't add any more color. I just swoop it up to try to camouflage the hoods. Now I am getting ready to do a video on how to camouflage your hoods at home. An amazing way and not expensive. And I am going to try it right on camera. One of my best friends just did it, and that's what made me call the company and tell them I need this to show my viewers. And I just couldn't believe it. I've got before and afters to show you and everything on how you could get rid of the hooded eye without surgery, because she was thinking, oh my god, I need surgery, and then she found this product. Now if I want a shimmer for my textured eyelids, I would just put them right by the lashes, right by the eyelash, and not further up, and it will show less wrinkles. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'm going over to see Nathalie the Beauty Divas video. She uploaded this morning also, and I hope you have a great day, a great week,